Listening to the sound of the sea has many psychological and health benefits, including 1. Relaxing and calming the nerves. The sound of the crashing waves of the sea is considered soothing to the mind and body, which helps in relaxing and relieving daily tension and pressures. 2. Promote meditation and deep thinking. The regular sound of waves can help focus and meditate, opening the way for deep thinking and immersion in certain thoughts. 3. Promote deep sleep. Some people can benefit from listening to the sound of the sea before bed to stimulate relaxation and improve sleep quality. 4. Stimulating creativity and inspiration. The sound of the sea can be a source of inspiration for writers, artists, and creative people, helping them find new ideas and a deeper concept. 5. Strengthening emotional bonds. Couples or families listening to the sound of the sea may help create shared positive memories, which strengthens emotional bonds between them. 6. Stimulating productivity and concentration. Some people consider that the sound of the sea helps them increase focus and productivity while working or studying. Overall, listening to the sound of the sea can be a relaxing and soothing experience, and is a simple, natural way to improve mental and physical well-being. Of course, here are some additional benefits of listening to the sound of the sea. 7. Improve concentration and attention. The soothing sound of the sea can help improve concentration and attention, and help people think more clearly and focused. 8. Reducing headaches and pains. The relaxation resulting from listening to the sound of the sea can reduce headaches and pains resulting from stress and psychological pressure. 9. Stimulating inner calm and psychological peace. Listening to the sound of the sea can be a time for meditation and inner reflection, which helps enhance inner calm and psychological peace. 10. Enhance self-awareness and self-listening. The sound of the sea can be motivating to look inward and listen to our inner feelings better. 11. Strengthening social relationships. Listening to the sound of the sea can be an excellent shared experience to strengthen social relationships with friends and family, which contributes to creating positive memories. 12. Enhance overall health. Regularly listening to the sound of the sea can help improve overall health and wellness, including the cardiovascular system and psychological stress. Listening to the sound of the sea is not only an auditory experience, but rather a comprehensive experience for relaxation, meditation, and enhancing mental and physical health in a natural and comfortable way. Certainly. Here are some additional benefits of listening to the sound of the sea. 13. Enhancing mindfulness. The rhythmic sound of the waves can facilitate mindfulness practices, helping individuals stay present and focused on the moment. 14. Reducing anxiety and stress. Many find that the soothing sound of the sea can significantly reduce feelings of anxiety and stress, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. 15. Improving cognitive function. Listening to natural sounds like ocean waves has been linked to improved cognitive performance, including better attention span and problem-solving abilities. 16. Promoting creativity. For artists, writers, and creative thinkers, the calming influence of ocean sounds can stimulate creativity and inspire new ideas. 17. Providing a natural white noise. The steady, predictable sound of the sea can act as a natural form of white noise, which can help mask other distracting noises and promote better concentration. 18. Connecting with nature. Even if you're not physically near the ocean, listening to its sounds can provide a connection to nature, which is known to have numerous psychological benefits. 19. Enhancing mood. Many people report that listening to ocean sounds lifts their mood and creates a sense of happiness and well-being. 20. Improving sleep quality. Regular exposure to calming sounds like ocean waves before bedtime can help improve